Welcome to the Step by Step Listening video YouTube channel, where we talk about everything you need to achieve success without stress. So we look at what do you actually need to be able to work at your best independently? What do you need to be able to work with other people? What do you need to be able to live at your best on your own and with other people? And what do you need to be able to keep maintaining that ability and curiosity to learn, to grow, no matter what life throws at you? So welcome to the channel. Please check out our videos. We talk about how do you get clarity, where did your confidence come from, but more importantly, look at the quality of the feedback you give, receive and invite when you're going through change. When our system is unsettled, when we don't have enough change, we're bored and we don't feel fulfilled, when we're getting too much change, we can't keep up with it, we can't make sense of it, our system can become unsettled, and at those times we're not always the best human being that we want to be. We can not always talk very nicely to ourselves or about ourselves, and we can become critical of the people that matter to us the most. That doesn't help us to improve our relationships or our performance. And so here at the channel, we will share with you lots of hints and tips. I interview other people and they share what works for them. I share what works for me, and I also share what's been working for my clients. So please join us, please hit the button, please subscribe and join the channel now. Speak to you soon.